Tesla Model X is in today. The whole car is completely Clearbra, and the cool thing with this is perfect for like daily mishaps. If anything were to occur, shopping carts bumping into this, you know, people banging on doors, wherever, door dings. We have a prime example of that. So this whole door is Clearbra. As you can see, the Clearbra here is damaged, has cut through the film. We're gonna be replacing this, but I figured I'd show you what it looks like now before we peel it off, so you can see how much damage actually transferred through to the paint. Same thing on the passenger side too. Not surprised, these doors go up, so they do hit things. So there's a cut here, as you can see, and there's also a bigger one right there. I'm curious to see how much actually went through. Whoa! Nice!
No damage.
So all that we saw was adhesive. No damage whatsoever, guys. Really
Clearbra
nice.
can save your car.
But you know what Clearbra can't save? The tigers, Dustin. The tigers.
Hey, all you cool cats and kittens.
Alright, so this side now. So we got this one to see, and we also got this one to see. Boom, nothing, it's gone. Wow, there's nothing, yeah, no damage at all whatsoever. How's it feel, Dustin? You saved this car's paint.
Better when I play dudes.
Wow. So amazing.
What we got here? Clear deflectors? They're white.
Clear, but the light's orange.
Oh, that does look a lot better.
This screw's hot. Look at all the friction, force, torque, velocity, speed, power, stamina.
Oof. Brand new Tesla Model 3 in. We're tinting the whole car. Chrome deleting the thing as well. We have the mirrors taken apart already. We're still working on some of the other ones. Sean, can you use his toy and point to where Raul touches you at night?
Yeah, here. I mean, like, if he's actually related to him, but he's like, dude, imagine if everyone knew at EVS I was related to him.
Think I'd be doing this right now?
You're saying you would be there?
I would be capitalizing on his success.
What, would you run his merchandise store?
Interviews, I'd be doing everything, bro. I'd be on the circuit. Know more about him, I'll be like, I got the beans, I'm a spiller.
Doing great, bro. Doing really good.
Really? This is my 7th day.
I thought it was your 10th.
Okay, don't exaggerate now.
Brand new Tesla Model 3 is ready to hit the roads in Houston. Came straight from Tesla to us. Client literally just drove it from Tesla. This is as fresh as it gets. And if you notice, the tint that we did on this one is a little bit darker than what we normally do. That's because this is 20%. So it gives you a little bit of extra privacy over like a 30% film. And the client wanted to do sort of a Stormtrooper look, so we did a chrome delete in satin black. Mirrors, window trims, door handles, you know, the usual, of course. However, we did keep the T logos chrome just so then it has a little bit of an accent. Overall, really clean setup. I feel like this is how the Model 3 should come from factory standard.
Is there a tropical storm already?
Bertha.
Big Bertha? Big Bertha.
Wait, we have a storm coming?
Hey, what's the difference between a tropical storm and a hurricane?
Hurricane is obviously.
This is crazy. Yeah, this reminds me of the first vlog I ever did. Look at this. Dude, guys, look. It's a freaking tsunami forming in our parking lot.
Dude, I think if I go out there, I'm gonna fall. Ask him.
You want to try?
Are you guys gonna move it? I'm gonna make room. Yeah.
Come on,
Tyler, we can't open the door because it's too windy. Just put your hand on the glass and touch mine.
please. Look at you. You ran in the shower.
Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. If you want to donate towards buying Dustin a plane ticket to go see his Uncle Joe Exotic in prison, click up here. We're gonna start a GoFundMe for that. And yeah, I will see you guys next time.
I'm gonna be the judge. I know Michael Jordan's signature.
That's a fugazi, bro.
Come on!
That's a fugazi.
One man's poop is another man's dessert. Oh wait, that was